good, YouTube? We back with another video. As you can tell by the title, man, it's your boy Antoine. I got a finger coil video for y'all today. I just took my hair out of some twists, so that's why I look like this right now. This is not the finger coil after effect. These are just twists that I had taken out. I'm about to get in the shower, wash my hair. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe. We're gonna get straight to the point. I'm gonna show you how to do finger coils. Finger coils for black men. Women too, women can do this also, but I'm a black male, so I'm doing this for my black men, my brothers out there. And yeah, y'all, we about to get into this video. So first, I'm gonna get in the shower, and I'm gonna wash my hair with this. This is shea butter and pure coconut oil, sulfate free cleansing shampoo. So this is what I'm gonna wash my hair with. Let's wait for it to focus. There you go. I'm gonna wash my hair with this Suave, and then I'm gonna condition my hair with Suave, shea butter, and pure coconut oil moisturizing conditioner. That's what I'm about to condition my hair with. And I'm gonna get back to y'all after I get out the shower, and I'm gonna show you the steps of finger coiling my hair. So let's get to it, man. Feel me? Alright, y'all, so we fresh out the shower. I picked my hair out. So now what I'm gonna do, and you don't have to do this if you don't want to. I just do like doing this because I feel like it's easier. I separate my hair into fours, and it don't gotta be perfect, but I like to section my hair. So I section it into 2 sections. Boom, right down the middle. That's one section right there. Another one is right back here. And this does not have to be perfect. Just hurry up and get it out the way so you could do your hair. 4 sections, just like that, nice and easy. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your products. I don't know what kind of products you guys like to use. I don't know what products you guys like to use, but I'm gonna show you the products that I use. So my hair is still a little wet. But you always could use extra water if you need some. This is just water. It says hair milk on it, but it's just water. So that spray bottle, water. Curl enhancing smoothie. Now I got this from Walmart. You get it from Target. It's the company Shea Butter or Shea Moisture. Curl enhancing smoothie, coconut and hibiscus. I use this, and then I either use the Eco Styling Gel, or I have this one for now, but I usually use the Eco Styling Gel. This is just, I don't know what it's called. Extra hold, extra firm control gel. It's regular gel. There's nothing too fancy or nothing. So what I like to do first is we'll put, since it's already water in it a little bit, I'll still put a little bit more water in it. So let's go ahead and spray that with water. Boom. Make sure it's all up in there. And what I like to do, I feel like it's easier for me. Get your gel or hair conditioner, whatever you want to get first. It doesn't matter if you do gel first or your curl enhancing smoothie first. It really doesn't matter. But just get into that section too. So rub it in your hands. Get into that section too. Go ahead, stick your finger in the middle to get in between, get all around. And now I'm gonna get my curl enhancing smoothie. Get about this much. Get about that much. My hand look white. Go ahead, get up in there. And then once it's nice and moisturized, you go ahead and start doing it. So look, to finger coil, you do a little section, separate it, and just wrap your finger around. So wrap your finger around, just like this. And your section doesn't have to be too moisturized. It has to be moisturized, but don't overload your section. Don't put too much, don't put too little, just enough. And there you go. And that's how you do it. Just keep going. Do it with both fingers if you want to. Let me see, I can see. Do both fingers. And you're gonna repeat the process for each section. So that's pretty much it for the first section. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when I'm all done with my hair. I'll fast forward a little bit so you guys can see. Alright guys, I'm finally done, and this is how it came out. If you guys like the way they came out, man, make sure you drop that like, that comment, that subscribe, you feel me? And comment any ideas you want to see next, what kind of hairstyles you want to see next. And that's my little tutorial for you guys. Gang gang, we out.